Hi everyone, Biochemistry. Most students treat this subject as vast, volatile and very memory heavy. So when we started designing biochemistry rapid revision videos for version 11, there was a very simple question in my mind. Can I shrink biochemistry without shrinking its significance? The answer is a simple yes, provided we do it scientifically. So in this video, I will be telling you how I've shrunk biochemistry into 10 powerful exam-oriented videos without losing a single essential topic. Most students learn biochemistry in 3 disconnected ways. First, they learn theory by watching videos in isolation. Then they practice PYQs without a correlation. Finally, they review their mistakes without an integration. But brain does not work in compartments. If you learn theory today and practice PYQs a week later, but you review your mistakes only the day before examination, that is fragmented. Fragmentation causes confusion, reduced retention, and repetitive mistakes. That is why I've redesigned the structure completely. Every single biochemistry rapid revision video follows a 3-layered structure. Layer 1 is theoretical discussion. So every video starts with a short but structured theoretical discussion on all the subtopics that are included. And here I do not overwhelm you with facts. Instead, I first explain you the flow, build the logic, connect all metabolic pathways, highlight important regulatory points, emphasize on clinically relevant topics, so that you first understand the subtopic, because memory without understanding is fragile. Layer 2 is PYQ integration. Right after theory discussion, there is a part wherein we discuss PYQs related to all the subtopics. Not later, not in a different module, but immediately. And these are the PYQs that have been asked in the recent 5-year NEET PG, FMGE and INI-CET papers. Every PYQ is mapped to the exact subtopic that was discussed. So what happens here? You see exactly what the examiner thinks. You see what are the topics that are frequently tested. You see what is the theoretical concept that is twisted. So suddenly theory becomes applied knowledge. Layer 3. This is error file discussion. This is a game changer. After theory discussion, after PYQ practice, I've explicitly included an error file discussion part. Here I tell you exactly where students commit mistakes. Which are the choices that are traps? Which are the enzyme names that are confusing? Which are the clinical correlations that are often misread? I openly tell you, you have to pay attention here, otherwise you're going to make or mark this wrong, so that your brain becomes vigilant. And this is where the real magic lies. You're listening to an important topic thrice. First in theory discussion, then in PYQ practice, and finally in error file discussion. So this is a well-designed, built-in spaced repetition, not an accidental repetition, so that the memory that gets encoded is deeper. And you, instead of revising a particular topic 5 times later on, you will get to hear the important fact three times in the same sitting. And what happens here is the spaced repetition does not only help you in establishing the memory, it also helps you to shrink the number of hours that you have to put in for learning biochemistry. Another key principle that I used while designing rapid revision videos for biochemistry is no redundant information, only high yield focus. We together learned all 5-year PYQ papers, and we learned it deeply. And every subtopic that is included here is based on frequently asked topics, those topics which are conceptually and clinically important, based on the latest examination trends. What you will not see is outdated trivia. You will not see low-yield textbook lines. You will definitely not see unasked theoretical excess. So it is concise yet complete. 10 powerful videos covering the entire biochemistry syllabus. Not overwhelming, but wholesome. And this has been compressed intellectually. So if you are looking for a solution wherein you can learn biochemistry without getting overwhelmed, then Biochemistry Rapid Revision video of PrepLadder version 11 is your choice.